Nitong nakaraang linggo, kasama ni Jenalyn Mercado ang Star Talk sa kanyang check-up sa doktor matapos ang ilang linggo rin itong pagsagot sa maraming issue na inaakalang makakaapekto sa pagbubuntis ng batang aktres. But to everyone's surprise, nadagdagan na si Jen ng timbang na ayon sa kanyang doktor ay magandang pangitain naman.
So now, still within the normal range kasi we're expecting na 3 to 4 pounds ang i-gain mo for the past month. If we're counted, Jen, you're exactly 15 weeks and 3 days today. So that's close to 16 weeks. So that's close to 4th month.
Ilan pang palatandaang ligtas ang ipinagbubuntis si Jen ay ang maramdamang sumisipa na ito at ang malakas nitong tibok ng puso.
So that's meron? That's good, no? Initially, parang titik-titik lang.
Parang yung feeling na parang kumukulo.
Bibigyan mo baby ko?
Ay! Naku, Diyos, hindi na kami nakikisip. Baby mo ko.
Ayon kay Dr. De Luna, hindi hadlang ang kalagayan ni Jenalyn upang makapagtrabaho ito.
Medyo,
we're not entertaining any problem right now. She can still go to work if she wants.
At sa susunod na buwan malalaman na ang kasarian ng bata.
I'll be seeing her a month after na. So by that time, we will be expecting na she's so excited to know yung gender yung baby. But Jen is very pretty right now. So I think we'll make a wild guess on this one. So I was telling her din nga na she has to get away with all the negative thoughts kasi nga, whatever she feels, dapat happy thoughts parate para yun yung ma-imbibe yung baby.
Marami. Oo, sobrang stress ako nun kasi hindi ako nag-gain ng weight. Tapos, konti pa lang yung gamot ko na. Gamot marami na. Heavy na. Heavy na. Pero okay lang. At least I'm healthy yung baby. Kung anong gender niya, excited na.